Everyone, this is Tanvi back with another Linux desktop customization video, and in this video I will show you how to customize Linux Mint Cinnamon desktop. And even if you are a complete beginner, you can follow this video. So we have a project file over here. You can find the link of the project file down in the description of this video, and I'm going to extract it. I can delete the zip file and then go inside the project file, right click on empty space and click on open in terminal, and then I'm going to type chmod +x and then type script.sh and then type /script.sh and type my password. And this is it, guys. This is basically it. You don't have to type any more commands, and our work in the terminal is almost done. So yeah, guys, the next thing that I will do is click on this download links, and then I'm going to download these themes. So let's go ahead, download all these themes. And we have two fonts over here. So this is the first one. All right, so this is the first font, and this is the second font, and we have our wallpaper pack over here. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and download this theme. So go for this one. It says borderless, so click on it, and then over here download the icon pack and download the zip file, and here click on get font, click on this download button, and then click on download over here as well. And right over here I'm going to press enter again. All right, and over here download the zip file, click on download, so these are basically all right. So press enter over here on the terminal. All right, guys, so once you have downloaded all of these themes pack, so I can close the browser and our work in browser is done as well. Now let's go to downloads directory, and then I'm going to just wait for the terminal to do its thing, and then I will show you the rest of the process. All right, guys, so once this is done, I can close the terminal and then select all of these zip files and right click on extract here, and after that delete the zip files, and then I'm going to install these fonts first. Click on install and wait till it shows installed, and then install this font. Close it, go back, and then right click on this home icon and click on open a new window, and right click on show hidden files, and then click on dot icons, and then drag and drop this icons folder, and then click on dot themes, and then drag and drop all of this themes folder, and then I can delete this one. And after that I'll go inside my project file and then click on run U launcher, and then I will copy this command, go back, go inside U launcher main, right click on empty space, click on open in terminal, and then just simply paste the command, and this will install the U launcher theme for us. And after that we are basically done here. So I'm gonna close it and then search for startup applications, and then click on this plus sign, click on custom command and name it U, and then go to downloads and then my project file, and then click on uopen.sh, click on open, click on add, and I'll click on this plus sign again, and this time I'll name u2. Click on browse downloads and click on u open2.sh. Click on open, click on add, then I'll choose the application u launcher, which is this one. Click on add application, click the plus sign again, and click on custom command, and I'll name it Glava. So this is for the Glava visualizer. Go to my project file and then Glava startup.sh, select that, click on open, click on add, and this is basically it, guys. So I can close it now and right click on the panel, click on edit panel mode, and then I'm going to drag it to the center and then deselect the edit panel mode. And now guys, I'm going to go to downloads and go to project file again, and then copy this walls folder, go to home directory, and then paste it over here. All right, now before I apply all the themes, the last thing that I will do is go inside walls, okay, and I will go to my wallpaper pack that I have just downloaded, and I provided the link, and over here I will simply get 4 wallpapers from this wallpapers pack. So one of them is this one, just copy it and paste it to the walls for now, and the second one is here, copy it and paste it. All right, and the third one is over here, copy it and paste it, and the last one is over here, so copy it and paste it to my walls folder. Okay, I can close it. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to move this wallpaper to walls 1. So this is for my first Conky theme, and this one I will move it to walls 3, and this one I'll move it to walls 2, and this one I'll move it to walls 4. Yeah guys, and this one we don't actually need, so I can delete that one. Okay guys, now let's go ahead and quickly apply the themes. Click on advanced, change the cursor, apply the theme. All right, so once I've applied the themes, I can add some application to the dock. Let's just put some random application. Alright guys, this will work now. Let's go ahead and quickly restart. Alright guys, so as you can see that I have restarted my system. Now simply what I'm going to do is, you will notice that I have these 4 buttons, and if I click on any of these buttons, I will have a different Conky theme every time, and a different wallpaper applied automatically. So let's click on this first one. As you can see guys, this is our first Conky theme. Alright guys, so here's the thing guys, this should change wallpaper, but it is not changing the wallpaper, and I know why. That is because I haven't changed the names. So let's go ahead and put some random names for these wallpapers. So for every wallpaper, let's put some random names like that. Okay, I've already done that. Yeah guys, so this couldn't call the wallpaper because of the naming issue. So once I've fixed that, now I can click on these buttons, and it should change the wallpaper, but it is not changing. And guys, I have made a mistake. So first of all, it has to be a .png file. So make sure that there's the format .png or .jpeg file. So yeah guys, your wallpaper has to be this. And there is a fun fact about this, and that is that if you put any wallpaper inside these folders, this will automatically apply when you click these buttons. So when I click on the second button, as you can see that it applies the theme and the wallpaper. And this third button, so this is our third Conky theme, and this is the fourth button. So this is our fourth Conky theme. Yeah guys, so yeah guys, make sure that inside the walls folder you have the correct format, I mean the name for the wallpaper. It should be .png or .jpeg. And yeah guys, that was the issue. That is why it couldn't call the wallpapers. Alright guys, so let me explain a little bit about what we have over here, all these Conky themes. But before that, let's go ahead and quickly change the theme for the U launcher. So select Cappuccino, and there you go, U launcher. Let me go ahead and explain these Conky themes a little bit. So as you can see that we have some flying text, some text animation over here, and at the top over here, if you play any song or YouTube video, it will show the title over here. And this is our weather information, and these are all the U widgets buttons. And if I click on these buttons, it will change into a different Conky theme every time I click on these buttons. And for the first one, you will see that we have fortune at the center, and then some information over here, some information over here, and we have some particles flying around. And for the second one, we have this setup, and for the third one, we have some animation over here. These are the Conky animations. And yeah guys, and you will notice that our processing is not looking too good. It is too high, and that is because I am running Glava. So if I kill the Glava, then it will, let me show you, PQ Glava. So the Glava visualizer is actually quite power hungry. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend that to use Glava. As you can see that, so it went down. So yeah guys, you don't need to use Glava visualizer all the time, but you can use it sometime because it is cool. And let me just show you how Glava looks. So to run Glava, you can type Glava -desktop, and by the way, Glava will start automatically every time you start your system. That is because I included the Glava script to the startup applications list, but you can actually deselect this one because it takes up a lot of processing power. And if you type this command anytime, it will start Glava. So as you can see, it started Glava. So let me go ahead and quickly play something and show you how Glava looks. Alright guys, so this is the Glava visualizer, and this is how it looks. So yeah guys, that is that. And guys, let me show you, you can actually put your own custom text over here. And as you can see that it is showing the title like that. So for that, if you want to show the custom text, so go to .config, and then go to Conky, and then scroll down and search for this one called scrolling text.lua. So open it, and over here you can simply type anything and it will show over here. So let's type anything, subscribe, save it, and as you can see that it is showing that over here. And you can actually show your name or anything, any codes you like, you can show it over here. So yeah guys, so that is how you can do it. And if you want the exact weather information for your location, there is a readme file included with the project file, so you can read that. It says you can simply get your city ID and API key and then just copy and paste it right over here inside this weather folders. Okay, so inside these weather folders, go to weather.sh, open it, and just copy and paste your ID and the API key, and it will show the exact location, the weather information for your location. So yeah guys, that is it. I hope you like these customizations, and I really appreciate your support guys. I cannot thank you guys enough. As I always say, this means a lot to me. This really motivates me to keep going and keep improving, and I will come up with more customization ideas in the future. So make sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for getting the membership. If you get the membership, you can have access to the upcoming project files as well, and definitely the ones I have already uploaded, you are gonna have access to all of them, and the upcoming ones which I'm going to upload in the future. So it's a lifetime access. So who already got it, I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for the support. This is a donation because it helps me keep going. So yeah guys, thank you so much for the support, for the donation and getting the membership. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.